Let us see how you make a rib structure. Insert the needle, do the face loop. When the needle goes at the back, it makes a face loop. Bring the yarn forward and knit a purl stitch, a reverse loop, and you get a head. Push the yarn at the back, put the needle from the front, bring the yarn in the front, needle in the front, and take out the yarn. Take the yarn at the back, push the needle from the front to the back, bring the yarn in the front, push the needle from the back to the front, back to the front, front to back. So when you go from front to back, it makes a arm. When you knit from the front, it makes a head. Makes a head like this. You see the head? Okay. So when you take the yarn at the back, knit front, okay. So let's go at the back. So what you are supposed to do now is, wherever you have a head, you knit a head. Wherever you have an arm, you have to. So for a head, you always take from back to front and take the yarn at the back, knit from the front. Take the yarn in the front, knit from the back. So wherever you have a head, the yarn should be in the front. Wherever you want the arm, the yarn should go at the back. So face loop is always when you push the needle from the front. Yeah, push the needle from the front, you get a face loop, arms, and push the needle from the back, you get a okay. So you've knitted one course now. Come in the front. Okay, can you see a line of arms? One head, arm, head, arm, head, arm, head. So this is one by one rib. I will knit one more course. You're knitting an arm, the front, face loop. You're knitting a head, reverse loop. It's called a purl stitch. Arm, knit, reverse loop, purl stitch. Arm is called a knit stitch and a head is called a purl stitch. So there are two stitches. We are knitting one arm and one head. Okay, so check once again at the back. You have to check. So this is the first is the head. So we have to knit a head. Second is the arm, head. So for head, always take the needle in the front. Face loop. So one thing which you have to keep in mind is that whenever you see the face loop, the needle has to go like this for arms, and whenever you want a reverse loop, Here the head is, the needle has to go like this. So let's see, you've knitted a rib structure, and in a rib structure you have one arm, one head, one arm, one head. You see that, right? If you see the back, is again first is head, arm, head, arm, head. So this is one by one rib. So we've knitted a single jersey fabric here, all arms on one side, heads on the other side. Then we have knitted a one by one rib, one arm, one head, one arm, one head. Thank you.